This year, after the sluggish start, the demand for solar roofs is increasing. But on the other side, energy costs, metal costs are putting pressure on the supplier of mounting systems. We want to know, how do they deal with it? I'm here at the booth of SREC. Mr. Schletter, nice to meet you
Nice to meet
again.
you.
So we see a rising demand for solar roofs. Do you see that too?
We see that too. In our company, the market is growing, and we hope that we can hold this level for this market.
You can see it in your forecasts and the orders. And how do you
Our business is, we have no forecasts. It's not, we think like a warehouse, and the order leaves next day or the same day.
It's a very fast supply.
Yes, and it's not so easy for us to expect it what happens in 2 months. This is not easy for us.
Yeah, this was my next question. So do you expect a downswing, or maybe we have a kind of stabilization of this situation?
I hope a stabilization.
Yeah.
But what happens with the political influence next year, this is another question. I have no answer for this.
This is looking into the mirror, the magic mirror, as we know this from all the years in our branch, don't we?
Yes, it was all years the same, but this year the next year I think it's not so easy for us.
Yeah, we will see. But the start was not bad. Well, it's a little bit cynical because it was the crisis in Persia, right?
I think the crisis in Iran supports our business.
Yeah.
And we have 2 points. One was the starting in April, the sun comes out and it was a total different feeling. And plus the crisis in Iran. And this, I think these are has driven the market.
It's still a seasonal business, of course.
Yes,
of course. Rising costs for energy, for metal. So how do you deal with that?
This was a problem in the past also. This is a volatile market, and now it's not easy for us to cap this. But we are not. I think it's our job to hold the price in the level in this not so easy situation for the installers. And now it's possible for us, and we hope that the crisis goes and we can get a normal level of the price, of the material price.
You have a good network with the installers in Germany and outside Germany. So do they judge your offer to keep the prices? Do they support it? Do they like it?
Yes, I hope. And we have a growth in our markets, and I think good. It's the result of such things.
Yeah.
Good products, easy to install, less products, easy to manage for the warehouse, and solutions, safe solutions. It's also a very important part, I think. And a good price level, and I think we have a very competitive price in the quality and in the summary.
I see. And this is the same in Europe, the situation. You are active in some European countries. So which markets are interesting, maybe?
For us, the South Europe, Italy, Spain. Spain is growing. It's a big market. Also, Italy, it's a market 7 gigawatt or more.
Okay.
And these are interesting markets, but it's not so easy. We had to go in, and there are suppliers, other competitors. But it's an important situation for us to come into these countries.
So it's solar parks, utility, and rooftops. It's both of it in Spain and Italy?
We have products for all. For
I know.
Fix all panels in every situation.
Even at a facade, I've seen.
Yes. But sale, it's also we like to do both in all countries, in all
Okay.
regions.
Okay. So thank you very much. I wish you a
Thank
nice
you.
solar business here, good solar business. Yeah. As every year. And if you want to know more about the innovations of SLREC, please go to the website, inform yourself, and get into contact.